Hey, what's up tube? Willington here and welcome to another sound battle. I haven't been feeling so well lately. I have a huge list of requested videos and I just can't put it off any longer. So all that to say, excuse me for my voice. In the battlefield, today we have the UE Roll 2 going up against the Flip 3. The speakers are 5 feet away from the sound recorder and they are playing at 80% volume. Put your headphones on and let's hear the speakers speak.
Just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.
The speakers are about the same when it comes to loudness. The mids and highs are also pretty much the same, but there is a huge dynamic range between the lows and highs of the Flip 3 compared to the Roll 2. It almost sounds like JBL took the sound of the Roll 2 and added some bass to it and called it a Flip 3. So if sound quality is what you are looking for between these two speakers, the Flip 3 is the winner because of its rich, full sound and a higher, bigger dynamic range. The only reason I would recommend taking the Roll over the Flip 3 is if waterproof is a must-have in whatever you plan to use the speaker, because the Flip 3 is only splash-proof. Anyways, let me know what you think down below. Follow me on Twitter and suggest sound battles that you'd like to see here. The links to my pages will be down in the description below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.